Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. Full guide, so let's get started. Open YouTube in your web browser. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select your data in YouTube. Scroll down to YouTube Watch History. Click the arrow next to the history status. On the Activity Controls page, select the option to turn off or pause YouTube history. Confirm the change if prompted. Go back to YouTube and verify that your watch history is paused. For the second method, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select New Incognito Window. In the Incognito window, open youtube.com. Browse and watch YouTube videos without being signed into your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.